In this episode, we are going to cover design concept of the software engineering. So it's the last part of the software engineering course available on a Create to Code YouTube channel. And here we are going to talk about what is software quality attribute. So first, what is the quality of the attribute softwares need? Reliability, usability, maintainability, reportability. So these are the things you need to focus on. First of all, what is the reliability engineering? So reliability is measuring the product reliably enough, sustained to any condition. It should be correct result. And then it's usability, so how we are going to use it. This is the use cases. Term of the using should be navigate, should be simple, so usability should be. And then our important is part is maintainability, so how we are going to maintain your software is going to maintain, and different version of the product should be easy to maintain. Then the product portability of the software, so each of the new users the portability that can be measured in terms of costing, issue related porting and other things. Now you have a software testing, so testability, how your cross software is going to test. Then we have efficiency of the software, so the efficiency work, how the efficiency of the software going to work. And then we have the reusability, interpretability, scalability, correctness, and then flexibility. So this was a software quality guideline. Now talk about the software evolution. So what is the software evolution? Basically, software evolution is the term which is the process of developing software initially, then timely updating for the various reason, like adding new feature to remove absolute functionalities, etc. These are the type of the things you need to focus on in the. If I open this program, so here you can see the change identification, change proposal, software evolution proposal, new system. Okay, so you need to understand that in the software evolution we have to change and impact analysis, release planning, system update, and then system release. So let's talk about software design in detail. So it's a process that transform user requirement into the suitable form, which help the programmer to software coding and implementation during the software design phase. Design document requirement as a document software. And hence the SRS document is the software design process design document. Now following the item like a different module required, control relationship module, interfacing among different modules, data structure different modules, algorithm required to implement, objective of the software design like correctness of the software design, efficiency, understandability, and completeness, maintainability. So these are the topics you need to learn very clearly. A good design should be corrected, efficiency, a good software design should be addressed to research, understandability, and maintainability. First, so software designing concept is defined as the principal idea of the innovation that come into our mind in the thought of the software design. Now, concept simply means the idea that behind the design it, how you plan to solve the problem of distinguishing software, the logic of the thinking behind how you will design your software that allow to software to model to system. And then you have to know about that. You need to know software are the product that are the developed or the build, software design concepts, structure and modeling, developing this right software. There are the many concepts of software design in same given. Now talk about it. So here you can see abstraction reflecting software designing concept. And so architecture, modularity, abstraction representing software design concept, information hiding pattern. And now abstraction hiding relevant data, modularity subdivide the systems, modularity. Then we have the architecture, design a structure of something. Architecture simply means the techniques to designing the architecture. Software is a concept that data structure component interact with each other. You can pause the video and read it clearly for a better understanding. Now refine remove import is pattern repeated from information hiding and information. Then you have refactoring reconstruct something different level of the software design. So there are the three different level of the software design. First one is architectural design. Architectural design is a system can be viewed as a overall structure of the system and the way in which structures provide conceptual integrity of the system. The architecture design identify the software as a system with many components interacting with each other. At this level, the design get the idea of the proposed solution domain. Now you have the preliminary or a high level design. Here the problem decomposed into set module, the control relationship among various module identify and also the interfacing among the various module identified. Outcome of this stage is called the program architecture. Then you have to detail design. Once the high level design is completed, the detailed design is undertaken. In detail design, each module is examined carefully and to designing the data structure algorithm. The stage outcome documented in the form of module specification documentation.